Hi guys, you welcome back to my universe. Whoever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. If it's your first time of seeing my video or listening to my audio, you're very much welcome to my universe. Thanks for stopping by. Please do me a favor before you leave. Kindly subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. To my gallant subscribers that keep coming back to check me out to see what I got to offer. Thank you very much for coming back. Thank you for checking me out. May the good Lord check you out. May the good spirit never be far from you. May God your going out and your coming in, your asshood. Thanks for your correction, your maturity, your positive energy keeps me going. Thank you very much. With that being said, I want to talk about the hot topic when I come across on social media. This one don't still old one kind. This one don't take one kind. Unto say I get many things why they do for hand. Unto say I dey busy. Now make me never do the video. As you all know, I like to bring out message for anything where they talk about, for any post where I see for social media, to see how we fit a change, to see how we fit a be better person for our environment, to see how we fit a make different or impact for society. I know they talk say I know I pass anybody. I know they talk say I know I pass you. I know they talk say I know I pass you. Neither they talk say I know I pass you, auntie. I just they try to represent the change what I truly want. Maybe, just maybe, one person at least go see reasons with me. If one person see reason with me, if one person change from the way Fete they do things to a positive way, at least is a plus to my life. That one of the reasons why they do my video. So what thing I want to talk about today. Now one video will go viral, I think a month or 2 months ago. One of our Nigeria brother, where one Italian guy shoot for Italy, for Napoli to be precise. So the thing go viral. Many people talk about him. Many people give different opinion about him. Many people talk different story about him. Until I can't see the boyfriend talk about the video, talk what really happened. Say the guy na DJ, the guy not be bad person as people they paint him to be. Say people they carry fake news about the boy. He even went as far to want me the guy for hospital. The guy talk say in a DJ. Now because of music, now the Italian guy can't shoot him for your own house. So that your friend now can't they vex, can't they say for your own house where they pay put. Say you can't say make it low music. Say you can't say make it do this. Say you can't say make it do that. So he was really angry, like sending message to people say I made a suffer. They carry fake news, like made a suffer judge the boy wrongly. Say in a house where they pay put. Somebody will come tell and say low your music, this that. Say enough first. Say all of us now Africans. Say all of us now Nigerian. Say make we dey fight for ourselves. So before I will give my little opinion for this matter, for those of una wey never see the video, for those of una wey never see the guy, I would like to share the video with una so that una will see and understand where I from the come when I dey give my opinion later, so that una no go misjudge me, so that una no go misunderstand me. I don't say don't judge in my universe. Judge, it makes you human. Judge, it makes me know you personally. Judge, it makes me visit your universe. Please bear with me. Let me hit the little video. I will be back.
My people, I greet una. Now me una boy MC Dorobos. For this one, I not come in peace. Nothing like peace for you. I just come because of all those people where be say they carry fake rumor, they waka. And they imagine why be say people they know they manage their business, and why be say they know they talk within their head. Ha! Before you they carry rumor, they waka. Make sure say you they assure of waiting the rumor where you they carry. They waka. Make sure say you they assure of before you go to share or send any voice record. They enter people phone. Just imagine this boy will be saying they shoot for the city of Napoli for Ashera. Now because of an hour I come today, because that guy is just like brother to me, don't know my friend. You understand? Because I see some kind of voice record where they go around right now, some kind of posting where they post, some kind of comment. Where some people they talk say, na so police now shoot this guy waiting. I even hear they say the whites they vest for black say because of say black not agree they carry coronavirus narcos and they shoot this guy waiting. Not only that one, I can't still hear again say now so this boy they don't now they shoot this boy don't die. Say the boy now you die. Now you die. Why you not go mind your business? More than now business. All those things, if you be say una they hear all those things, my people, all those things where they talk about this boy, now lie, now big lie. This thing, now my city for Apple, I share when I did. Now there for Napoli, now for Apple. This boy now like brother to me. So I'm gonna watch the video where be say I want show na right now. You understand? When I deal with the guy for hospital, Mona hear from the guy will be say they shoot. Now deal with for here today. So now the guy be this source.
And music I record for my studio for us. Maybe say this will go come knock my door. No man, not be all those news when they go viral, so a lot of them are fake news. Because now from my house, front of my house, now they shoot me. They go carry the gun come out and say not to shoot me. So they even still investigate the case now. All those who are one of the years, so one I don't mind them, man.
Now, Shebuna don't hear Abi. Now, the reason why, when I hear from the guy say, the reason why that Hoiboma come shoot him is that the guy na music artist. Yes, of course. And the guy, they record music for his whole house when he use money rent. The Hoiboma come up for door, say me low music. Abemo tell each other the truth. He suppose, even though say maybe we be immigrant for here or we be foreigners for here, at least we still get our rights. Imagine, come up for doorway be say he they pay put say me low music. Now wait see happen be that one so wait lead to this issue we cause the one we be say this or you both shoot this guy. When I hear from the guy matter. So I beg my people, I want you to tell now before we dey carry any rumor, they waka or they carry any news, they waka concerning our brothers and our sister. I beg more try more they investigate first. More know the truth first before we go to do any posting or whatever. Just because of say you defend viewers or you defend subscribers, don't be say because of that one you they betray your own brother or your sister or they lie against your brother and your sister waiting. So which means you can't fight for your brother or your sister no matter what. Huh? God. I see the other woman the other day, I don't want to make sure her name. They go they do live video for YouTube. They talk things about this guy, carry the picture of this guy put for carry this guy picture come out, begin they do live video on top of this guy. All because of say the first subscriber, they talk things. Everything that woman talked that very day was rubbish or was fake. See, I beg, Mona share this video, go meet those people where they carry the fake rumors, they waka. Say not be waiting, not be the rumor where they share, they go, or not be voice record of video where they post, or picture where they post about this guy, not be so it happen. Mona try, I beg Mona still share the same message. God bless you now, too much.
All right, my wonderful brothers and sisters, you welcome back to my universe. Hope you're listening to the guy. What do you think about the update of the video? What do you think about this friend where do this video? And what do you also think about this our brother where this Italian guy shoots? I will share my opinion with you now. Waiting, I think, and I think I'm entitled to it. To clear the hair, sometimes when I give my opinion, sometimes when I talk, some people they take am personal. Some people they feel say, I they join foreigners instead of me to join my people, instead of me to join Nigerians, they always they join outsider. I know they join outsider. Now for me and you to good. Now for me and you to change. Now for the betterment of me and you. Now I tell they give my opinion. I not get who I decide. Like this our brother now, even though that leg healed tomorrow, it can never be like the one way God create and create. He go they lift that leg. He come abroad with 2 legs. He come go meet his papa and his mama, come go meet his siblings with upper 1 leg. With all due respect to that my brother. This one are one of the reason where I dey talk the way I tell they talk. Una know say abroad all day for here, Oyibo as we dey call them, they don't like noise, they don't like loud music, they don't like big music. We Africans, we like them. We Africans, in fact, now that one they give us joy. They say if you are in Rome, you act as a Roman. We can avoid all these things by just following their law, by just following their way, by just adopting their culture, by just respecting their privacy. Don't get me wrong. I know they talk say wetin that Napolitana do to this our brother na good thing. Absolutely no. Wetin I dey try talk be say we can all avoid all these things. We can all avoid these things. Now where they shoot am, now where they hospital, the music not low, the music low. You see they play the music? No, the music still there be not there. It there. So why we not just avoid all these things before it can escalate, before it can turn to wetin not supposed to turn to? I believe say we can avoid it. Even we Africans, Nigerians to be precise, many of us not still like noise. Many of us too not like loud music. That is why you see many people still they live for GRA because they don't feel live for weird noise day. If you go GRA, it be like desert, you know, go hear noise. you no go hear noise. Everybody go just suffer dey indoor. Everybody go just suffer dey for their house. Now wetin I dey try dey talk. Even for bongo that year, DJ wey dey our area, anytime we light take come, area no dey hear word again. You no fit sleep, people still dey complain. If NEPA sees light, some of us go dey happy so that our eardrum go still rest. Na so e still be for bongo. I no believe say this one na the first time wey this person don go meet my brother make he low the music, make not the loud music like that again. Before person come provoke reach that extent to come carry ratata come meet you for house, you know say you don dey fed up, you know say you don tire. Like many people dey talk and say na racist thing. I no believe say na racist thing. Even for America, the same thing happen for there. Go news world, you will see different story. You will see people they kill their neighbor, people they burn their neighbor property because they make noise. Make I use one mama to do example. Na still YouTuber Mama Gladys. She get one day what she call they make video. The neighbor come they clear grass, I think. So noise come there for the background. Now she can't just provoke when she they do the video. She can't say na so this person just they do am. Na so this person they always they do am. Na so they always they make noise. That one a Nigeria person where they complain say in neighbor they make noise. We can all avoid these things for peace to reign, my brothers and sisters. This Italian guy now, they never see an arrest. According to the video where we hear just now, even though they see an arrest, even though they can't see an arrest today, he go come give him back the leg where God fed take create him. Absolutely no. He go come make that day say it no happen again. It no fit happen. The deed has been done. Me and you fit avoid all these things. Like seriously, my brothers and sisters, music they know they run, radio no they run. Just as they talking for bongo, say radio no they know whether the owner there. Now when they for sick bed, they receive pain. They receive all this massive pain. If na person if you want do the recording for, if na person if you want do disc for, or anything where they do, believe me, you the person that will give on that person, and that leg can never come back. How much they be want pay am? Where go reach am now? Can't they settle that leg? Even though they give am €1 million today, e no go fit make that leg come be as if it be as God take create am. So that is why, my brothers and sisters, we all need to use common sense. We all need to avoid some things we will fit avoid. Yes, now you they pay for your house, now you they pay for your apartment, now you they do everything for your house. That one are true, but we get neighbor. Most still respect other people privacy. Like my house when me dey for here, opposite my apartment, you get some young students where they there every weekend. In fact, they can make noise. They'll just loud music. They'll begin to do festa, what they call party, and they disturb me. Not they make me sleep. You know they make children where they are asleep. I go their door, go hit their door. I bet more alone. Una they disturb me. Me I not be Oyibo, but they disturb me. You know how many times I don't call police for them? May they just come and me beg them. May they reduce their music because they disturb my peace. You know the funniest thing? When they'll come they sleep in the morning, which is on Saturday, when you come they play music, you know say for Europe time day where you feel make noise reach daytime you can make any noise you want make. When it don't reach 9, 10, 11, 12, you can't make noise again. That's Europe for you. When you come they play my own music, or me I just they talk back, I just they loud my voice, they'll come knock for my door, say that they sleep. Like seriously, you they sleep. When normal people supposed wake up, you want make me low my music because you they sleep. When me they sleep, you not bother, you not care. You feel say man, now your right, say now your house, you can make noise, you can disturb the peace of other people. Where be say Lord, they say see the time where you want play music reach. Please, my brothers and sisters, what am I trying to say? Make we be more they respect other people privacy. When person come meet you for your house, when person come knock for your door, may you lower your music. Without you know even shout, without you know even make quarrel with them. Tell them say okay, va benissimo. Go know him. It not make you be coward. It not make you be weak. You just they try to prevent some disaster. That one are the truth. Not be say you be coward. Just use this our brother own. Take get lesson with all due respect to him. He not get the big pass. He not get any money where they want pay him. He not get jail where that person want go. Where go bring that leg to normal. It's not possible. Thank God say na leg na shoot am. If to say na head unko, if to say na chest unko, the music still there for life. He go just go like that. Please, my brothers and sisters, make we act like Rome as we dey for Roma. I use God beg una. I beg una in the name of anything una believe. Make una beg. Respecting people privacy, not be cowardness. You know the follow person they make back. Not me say you not sabi talk o. E no mean like that. You just dey respect yourself. You just dey protect your loved ones because here we not lay your one. I beg una in the name of God. Make we use this one take get sense. More use this one take get lesson. I pray may that my brother get speed recovering in the name of the good spirit. Thank you very much for sharing this your wonderful time with me. This Sophie Universe, the massive truths. I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons with me. I hope you not take this my audio personal. I know they ever they tell you say I know I pass you. I know they want join one side, beat our side. Absolutely no. I just want make me and you dey safe. I just want make me and you go meet our loved ones for house with complete body. We come abroad with complete body. Why we can't go house with half body, my brothers and sisters? I know they try to join anybody. I just they try to make me and you dey comfortable. Like seriously, my brothers and sisters, if this my video offend you, if any of my audio offend you, please find a place in your heart to forgive me for love's sake, for peace sake. And I pray the good spirits guide each and every one of us, protect our going out and our coming in, give us reason to love, tolerate and forgive each other, give us more reason to do away with hate, revenge and every other bad stuff. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. Don't forget to share my videos, don't forget to patronize me, and don't also forget to give my video thumbs up. Love you in the name of love, love you in the name of whatever you believe. Till the next video, one love.